Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And yes, CPI is over. CPI gave us a mixed response. Market went down, then market again recovered immediately after a little pullback. We got to see some good amount of upside on gold, and gold is still continuing the upside here. Right now, gold is trading around 2644 area. If we just look at the chart of gold, then obviously trading opportunities are limited again. So if you have any buy on the chart of gold right now, you can continue with the buy. But if you're looking for fresh positions, then you need to be a little careful, because we can see that market has still not shown any sign of retracement yet. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold edges higher amid weaker dollar, lower treasury yields. Gold moves higher even as the dollar rises following September inflation report. Gold was trading higher mid-afternoon on Thursday, means yesterday, following four losing sessions, even as the dollar rose after the US reported inflation cooled last month, though not as much as expected. Market was expecting 2.3%, the numbers came around 2.4%. But the thing is that market was getting ready for a 50 basis points rate cut, and because the inflation number failed to meet the expectation, there is a possibility that market may go for a 25 basis points rate cut. Okay, so time will speak right now, and geopolitics is also playing a role here. If you have been watching my videos, then we have discussed in almost each and every one of our video that as long as gold is trading above 2600, this is just a correction, not a trend reversal. And now we can clearly see that yes, it was just a correction only, because trend reversal and correction both are different things. So if you have any buy on the chart of gold right now, you can continue with the buy position, because further upside is possible. Okay, so if you are having a buy on gold as a positional trader, swing trader, day trader, doesn't matter, we can hold your buy position, because we can see further upside is possible, or at least we can expect market to hit 2650, this particular area. So you can be on the buy position. If you're stuck on a sell right now, then try to exit at retracement, because market is bullish, market will be coming down for retracement, then you can look for an exit. And at this moment, chances of market going below 2600 is very less. And if you look at the economic calendar, yes, we have some news coming up, okay, during the US session, and it may not be a big event, but yes, you need to be careful. My dear friends, do not forget, it's a flight day. Do not fry your accounts. If market gets crazy, follow the trend of the market. That's it. Because we have seen in the last couple of months that when the US session starts on Friday, nothing works. Market gets crazy. Market is fully pumped up, so you need to be careful and just try to follow the trend of the market if you see some big moves. Okay, now let's discuss the opportunities and see right now. Okay, right now trading opportunities are a little limited. Again, I'm repeating, if you have any buy, continue. If you are looking for fresh position, you need to wait for some retracement. First of all, if you see market coming down, okay, then you can look for a buy around 2630 area. Why? Because the 100 moving average, which was working for resistance, will be working as the new support. Means the resistance will be working as support. Okay, around 2630 area. If market goes up and hits 264953 area, scalpers can look for a sell position. In this type of market situation, obviously taking a sell is not a good thing to do. But yes, if you love to take risk, if you are a risk taker, then you can look for a sell opportunity around 2649 2653 area with a stop loss around 2656 or 2657. Okay, so you can look for a sell position around this area as a scalper, but keep this in mind, this is not a very safe trade. It can be a very risky trade. Okay, so we have a quick sell opportunity 2649 2653 area. And when market will be coming down, or if market comes down from this particular zone here, then we can also look for a buy around 2640 area. And during the European session or US session, okay, if market continues the upside, okay, chances of market breaking the level is quite high. If market breaks 2653 area, then obviously we can look for a buy and breakout, but be careful because see, market is continuing the upside, so it will be better for us to buy at retracement. Means if market breaks, okay, if market breaks the level here, so obviously at one point market will be coming down, isn't it? So what you can do is, okay, you can look for support around 2653 to 50 means means the resistance will be the new support. Resistance will be the new support. Then we can look for a buy around this area because when market will be going up, our risk to reward ratio will be matched. Then the risk will be lower because when we go for a buy and breakout, there is always a possibility of a false breakout. And if there is not much volume in the market, yes, the risk of false breakout always remain. Okay. So let me wrap it up. If you have any ongoing buy as a swing trader, positional trader, day trader, okay, you can continue because further upside is very much possible. And as we have discussed in our previous videos also, 2600 will be a critical level for the market and chances of market closing above 2600 is very high. Weekly closing is going to be important and it should be above 2600 only even if market comes down. Okay, so if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously buy at retracement will be safer for us. In that case, we can look for a buy around 2630 area where the same moving average will be acting as the support here. Scalpers can look for a quick, little risky sell position around 2650, 2653 area. If market reverses from that particular zone, 2640 area also have the potential of acting as support. Okay, so if market reverses, then we can also look for around support on 2640 area. And if market goes for a breakout, be careful because there is always a possibility of false breakout. See, market is continuing the upside and there is no sign of proper retracement. So if you are looking for safe positions only, then after breakout wait for a couple of hours, 1 or 2 hours. If you see the market is coming down for retracement, then you can look for a buy because buying at retracement is safer in comparison to buying at breakout. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Do not forget it's Friday and try to close your positions. Don't try to close your positions. Okay, because any news during the weekend make get make market crazy on Monday. And you must be knowing that market is very sensitive to news right now and things are little hot in the Middle East. So please be careful. Try to close your ongoing positions. Okay, if you are not an experienced trader, if you have the experience, that's a different story. If you have the risk experience, risk management skills, you are on your own. But if you're a beginner, new trader, then obviously it's better to close your positions uh, and have a peaceful weekend. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much again. Bye bye. See ya tomorrow. The weekly closing will be important.